Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself-Dad channel. Today we're going to show you how to take your outdoor nighttime security camera footage from this and transfer it to this. And we're also going to show you how to eliminate those false alarms from bugs flying by your camera. And we're going to do that all with one of these. And this is an outdoor infrared illuminator. It looks like a camera, but it's not. These are infrared LEDs. And how your camera works is it's got LEDs that broadcast infrared light onto your driveway or wherever it's shooting, and that's how it picks up those great night scenes. But a lot of cameras don't come with great LEDs. So what this is think of this as an outdoor spotlight with a whole bunch of very bright infrared LEDs. So you can't see this light with the naked eye, but your camera can see it, so this will improve its night vision. Now those false alarms you're getting when bugs fly by, it's because they're attracted to the infrared light. So this way you're going to have a very, very bright infrared light, so they won't be attracted to your camera, they'll be attracted to this, so they won't set off those false alarms right in front of your camera. So let's get this thing installed in the house. It's real easy to do. So we're going to install this over the driveway, and you can see there on one side of the driveway is our camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here on the other side of the driveway, and I've got a hole up here where my previous camera was, and we're going to run the power through that. If you don't already have a hole like that, you will have to drill a hole or find a way to run power to the inside of your house. But this does power itself with a regular wall socket. So it's hard for me to show you on the inside because I have insulation in the way, but the wire is coming in behind my insulation, coming out, and then on the other end of it we've got a regular plug here, so we're just going to plug this thing in. Sorry about the noise up here, if you can hear that, those are my attic fans running, but we're going to plug this in, and what's nice about this one is you don't have to switch it on and off. It comes on when it gets dark. Now, as they say, the proof is in the details, and we're going to show you the before right now and that little false alarm, and in just a second we're going to show you the after, where the front yard is totally bathed in light and you can see a lot more detail. Now, if this video helped you out at all, go down and hit that subscribe button, give me a great big thumbs up, and go down in the comments, let me know what other kind of stuff you'd like to see around the house. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.